Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. I have about 18 minutes of storage in my phone and I'm going to do an unboxing. So this is the box right here with all of the goodies falling out that are on the inside. Again, I did not bring any brushes, any makeup brushes. So this is my Juvia's Place haul. They had a sale and I did purchase these. I don't know why these look like they kind of open. Here. Let me see this one. But that's okay. They're in shade Ebony. And I have 4. They was like $3 and some change. Okay. And let me show you one. And these are the Juvia's Place eye pencils. Okay. Eyebrow pencils. And this is what they look like. You know, I just ordered some of these not too long ago. And as I was using it, it was starting to break. I don't know if y'all can see that. It was starting to break. So, you know, I don't have any eyebrows or anything on right now. So let's see if we can just give y'all a little tutorial with using these Juvia's Place pencils. Yeah, so if you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. This morning on the way to work, once we got here, we had to stand and wait for security to open the door to let us in. Because they had all the buildings on lockdown. And, you know, of course, that's concerning. Uh-oh. And see, look, they're starting to break. You see that? Now, Juvia's Place didn't used to be like that. Okay, so maybe I had it up too much. But Juvia's Place didn't used to be like that. And so I know with everything going on in the world, with everything going on in the world, it's kind of hard to get your normal supply and fix of things. Okay, so these are the brows, and if they look kind of trashy, I'm sorry, because I don't have my concealer so that I can fix the brows. Okay, and so let's go in and let's try to do the other side. We're gonna clean it up a little bit with our fingers. Okay, let's try to do the other side as well. Although this side would be hiding. Okay, this side would be hiding up under the hair. So, just in case I just happen to move my hair. So those are the brows. Not perfect, but you know, this one gonna be hiding anyway. So yeah, I like this pencil in shade Ebony. It's not too dark at all. And of course, I have 4 of them. Okay, let's see. Let's come in a little closer because I need to see too. Come in a little closer. See, I got y'all propped up on the water bottle. Yeah, so yeah, if I had my concealer, but that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be cool. Okay, now hopefully it don't fall. So the next thing that I have from Juvia's Place is eyeshadow base number 1 and eyeshadow base number 2. The pencils was $3 and some change a piece, and the eyeshadow base was $3 and some change as well. I can't really see too good with it, but why I didn't get the other one, number 3, which is my favorite, I don't know. I'm thinking I didn't get number 3 because it's the darkest. It matches my complexion, and I probably have a couple of those somewhere already. Okay, so next, this is the next thing that I got. Not in any particular order. Okay, so we're gonna go with this Zulu palette right here. Okay, it was on sale for $6. This palette was $6. Okay, and it's very beautiful, very pretty, very pretty. So let's see. Okay, and my granddaughter loved the bubble wrap. Okay, so here's the artwork, and this is the palette. Now, I don't want to swatch this. I don't want to swatch it. I think it's the other one, because I have this palette. I think it's the other one, you all, that that I was trying to use like some time ago, and the formula was terrible. And I'm like, I'm so surprised. Juvia's Place formula is normally top notch, but we're gonna go ahead. This is a new palette, so let's go ahead and go in with this purple, this rose, this deep rose. We're gonna go in with this brown, and listen, they reformulated something. You know, and listen, they reformulated something. I'm not sure what I didn't like. Yep, it was the pigmentation. Although it's decent. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna show you. You see how that purple, everything did pretty good, but this purple, I'm assuming that they reformulated it because it wasn't as good as this last time, and that was years ago. I had bought this palette years ago, This was like one of the first palettes I had ever bought from Juvia's place years ago. So let me hurry up because I've already been on here 10 minutes yapping my gums. This palette I will swatch. So let me go in with the yellow and let me go in with the orange. And then I would have done all the mattes. Let me get a little bit more yellow. I love that yellow. I love it. This orange is pretty. And this yellow is pretty. Of course, it's a little, you would have to build that yellow up. You really would. You would have to build it up. But it's very pretty. It's very pretty. Okay. Let's do the shimmers. Okay, let's do the shimmers. And this is the orange and this is the yellow. Okay, so the shimmer, I'm gonna go down here in this little pinky looking shimmer, rose gold. And then I'm going here in this green. And these are more of a satiny type shimmer. If you can see, these are more satiny looking. So let's see, it's real pretty. I might put that rose gold. Ooh, that green is pretty. And you see, it's more satin. It's more satin than like a real pungent type shimmer. So that is the Zulu palette, which I love. I really like this palette a lot. And I'm gonna go look at some of my other palettes. They're having a summer sale too, by the way, as we speak. Oh, y'all shopping Amazon Prime? I ain't got no money. I don't have no money to shop Amazon Prime. I don't. So let me show y'all the rest of the products. Now, I also ended up getting the coffee shop collection. Okay, I'm not going to swatch this palette because it's brand new. And I already have one that I've already swatched on my channel recently. Within the past 3 months. So I will open it just in case you all didn't see that video, and I'll let you all look at it. This is the shade right here that's kind of lackluster. Everybody felt like it was like gimmicky. It's real pretty in the palette. I don't know if y'all can really see it. It's like pink, blue swirl. It's like a lavender and blue swirl type. Okay, let me see. Y'all see that? Now that one I will. Hold on, y'all. I will swatch this one for you all so that you can see that it's pretty. Okay, it has that nice little unicorn type look to it. And then I'll swatch it next to these shimmers here and let you all see the, it's kind of iridescent. Don't know if it's coming off on the camera too well, but on the fingers you can tell it has like that little silver. It's definitely giving off unicorn type vibes, if I must say so myself. So I called the other apartment complexes that I'm interested in moving to, but until I get things done, y'all would not believe how long I've been working on this darn house. But this is the year, And it's a shame because people want houses. People want houses. So now y'all get to see the shimmers. You get to see like the little unicorn shade on the lid. Okay, not too much. Not too much. I was going to put the purple on, but I've already put that back in the box. This just so you can see what it looks like on the lid. Look at it. This is what I hate about shades like this. It get all on the eye. You know, it's a real pretty shade. It's just that I'm not really doing it. I'm not doing it much justice with how I'm applying and using it, really. Yeah, just put a little bit more on this side. So I called their rent office today to see if they got my payment, and the lady said, I didn't even know we had a drop box. She knew. When I tell you they get new people all the time. They just changed management not too long ago. And now they've changed management again. So yeah, we're not gonna mess with this palette because we have a ice cream shop, a candy shop palette already open and swatched. So I did want to show you all, just in case you was interested in how that little special shade performed. Yeah, so I think I do want to go and I want me a job where I can work from home. I do. Yes, no. So also, last but not least, let me show you all. And these were $25 all together. I'm not sure how well it's selling, but this is the palette and these are the lippies. And I'm gonna try this one, which is the pineapple, and I'm gonna try chocolate because these are the two that I have not tried on my channel before. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch them both on my lips right quick. This is the, oh God, this is the chocolate. Hold on. I'm trying to pause it.